Shore of the island, that's where the Japanese hide the suicide boat. Suicide boat by the Japanese, 17 feet long, it can carry 250 kilos of bombs and cylinders. Secretly dispatched from Corridor Island, going to Maribeles, Bataan, it is succeeded to blown 3 support craft by the Americans. But most of those suicide boats never returned in the island. They named the suicide boat Senyotai. One Japanese captain per Senyotai boat, they called them Senyo Kokotai. If those Japanese have the kamikaze, the suicide airplane or the divine wind, whoever's of the suicide boat, those are the airplanes without wings by the Japanese. Another Japanese tunnel to the right. And another right, the north entrance of the Malinta Tunnel. Inside the north entrance, there's a 1,000-bed hospital. When the Japanese attacked Iloilo, they landed near the tail of the island. They did not land at the head, when they steer up to Bataan, they cannot penetrate because of high threats. So they attacked at the tail of the island. After the landing on Mayfield, the Americans was already hiding inside Malinta Tunnel. After the landing, there's a ceasefire. The first negotiation for the surrender of Iloilo happened in between the Japanese and the Americans. General Wainwright on the American side ordered General Moore and General Levy to negotiate personally with Colonel Nakayama on the Japanese side.